Hi friends! Nerd mode on today tayo and I'm so happy to have printed this. I'll be glad to send you a copy if you like. This will up our confidence in our LifeWave business. So, what we have here is this one is the freshest, newest protocol, including X39 and X49. I know you have protocols, but you'll notice that is before the birth of X39 and X49. This one, meron na siya. Okay? So, I'm sure you'll love it. So, I was reading it. Ganda, ayan. So, carnosine, ice wave. Tapos, I also cared to print dito yung ating mga tarps. Yan, as a guide. I love it kasi it's parang library ng mga products para ma-familiarize tayo. And ito, I'm sure magugustuhan nyo din to. See that? Kung ano man, autism, X39, Ion, Carnosine, Energy Enhancer. Di ba? Meron tayong cheat sheet ng kung ano mang ganap ng ating mga clients or yung kukuha sa atin. See that? Ano to? Physical improvement, immune system boost. So, you see here a lot of concerns na makaka-help tayo. Wound healing, X39, carnosine, Ion. Ginamit niya ni mom din. And, dear, high cholesterol, X39, energy enhancer, carnosine, SP complete. Pag ang concern, appetite, meron din tayong ganyan. Do you love this? Do you love this? So, I'm sure totoo din kayo, diba? Bago na, may plantar. Here also, in diabetes. High blood sugar, X39. XSP6 complete, energy enhancer, gluta, ion. So, dito, meron ding 5-day body detox. What I noticed is, kapag ang concern ay joints, meron degenerative diseases, Parkinson's, may dito actually, cancer, tinan nyo guys, ovarian cancer, breast, may 5-day tinatawag na body detox. So, ang cute, diba? Gout. Pag 5-day cycle, makikita mo yung day 1, 2, 3. So, it's easy reference para tayo may library. At the same time, ginawa ko din to. Inifortan ko yan. So, nakita mo in one look, andito yung patch placements, yung guide. So, this is a printable thing. Healing crisis, andyan din. So, let's say your friend who patched, napansin niya, meron siyang like in this case, sabi niya, sleepy siya or naging thirsty. So, ang underlying cause niya, you can refer to this, is possibly excessive meat intake. So, sleepy because the repair of organs and function need the aid of rest. Symptoms will be relieved after using LifeWave patches for a period of time. Diba? Pag sinabi niya, nagka-headache ako, nahilo ako. So, ang underlying cause is possibly may lack of oxygen supply. So, yan, high risk of stroke. Kasi, ang ginagawa ng body is dredging blood. So, dun sa key, circulation. So, more oxygen flow to the brain. Cute, diba? Ayan. So, we have here a cheat sheet of healing cases. And, I also included here the Gold Rush. Yung ating become a manager, director, road to SPD. You'll also notice meron ako dito. Guys, cute ito. Meron ka din guide for the business. Ayan. So, ito yung inevitable business growth. Trust the process. Ang role natin is patch, share, and keep your account active. Guys, ang cute nitong cheat sheet natin. Tingnan mo. Possibility of income, basta nag-manager ka, 2 people, right, left. Tapos, we're just talking about here yung maintenance, ha? 77 PV is just an average. Sometimes, pwedeng isa lang kinuha or X39. So, what you'll see here, pag inaral mo to, if you just have each of the people that you also help out others, ayan, 8 month possible, no? Kung business builders, nakita mo, and everyone just renews ang iyong volume. Nakita mo ba? Cute siya maybe on the first 3 months. Diba? Pag tumungtong ng 4th month, nag-aano ka na, $700, right? Kita mo yun, yung business volume nagbi-build na. At that point, pwede ka ng manager or director. 5th month, ganyan. So, road to SPD ito. It's encouraging because our SPD who spoke in the SPD forum, yung kanyang volume is 2 million. So, possible talaga na maging 2 million ang group volume, kaya siya SPD. Kasi ang minimum is 200,000. Yung kanya is 2 million. Why? Because hindi mo na yan mapipigilan. Hindi mo na din alam kung sino yung mga magiging under organization for as long as you build it. So, ang rule talaga is to just keep your account active. So, for him, it took 14 years na 2 million yung business volume. Ito po 8 months. So, with consciousness, you can do it. Pero, if you'll see there, ang pinaka-thing is, dun sa 14 years niya, hindi niya inalaw na mawala yung points, diba? Kaya nag-grow to 2 million yun, right? So, this can be for you. What that means is, ayan, that's $190,000. Okay? And I'm sharing this with you because this is inevitable, lalo na the Philippines is a networking country. Diba? Lahat tayo, mga Filipinos by nature, ang dami nating friends, kamag-anak, kakilala, puso, kapamilya. And this just reaching the Philippines as a reminder, onti pa lang tayong nakakaintindi nito. Okay? But I also wanna handhold you guys, for those na hindi nakapag-refresh ng monthly, you're still in an advantage kasi nakilala mo na si LifeWave. You are building your experience of it. Okay, so I have no doubt that yung 600 million production ngayon, 2024 is 2.4 billion yung projected by 2026. So let's drive that wave. See you guys. And okay, so if you're interested in this, sasabihin ko pala how to get this. Of course, send me your email address. And maglalambing din ako if you can send me a testimony of how LifeWave Patches has been working for you. That will be great. I'll send here a link for my LifeWave page. I would love to hear how it has been working for you. Okay, so send a review there. And then screenshot, send it to me sa Messenger. And also, kindly send me your email address where this brand partner onboarding kit will be sent to. Ready for printing mo. All right. God bless.